In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Vinted support in just 5 minutes. Whether you have questions about your transactions, account details, or shipping issues, knowing how to reach their support team can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through a few simple methods you can use to contact Vinted support, tailoring each to what might suit you best. First up, let's start with Vinted's Help Center. This is your go-to spot for a wealth of articles and resources that can help resolve common issues without waiting for a response. To access the Help Center, you'll need to log into your Vinted account. Once you're in, navigate to the About section. There, you'll find the Help Center option. Clicking on this link will lead you to a collection of helpful articles that are tailored to address a variety of frequently asked questions. It's a great first step because resolving your query here can save you time that would otherwise be spent waiting for a direct response. If the Help Center doesn't quite meet your needs, don't worry, you have other options. Vinted provides an email avenue for more specific inquiries. Their official website offers a dedicated section for support where you can submit your issues via email. Simply navigate to their Contact Us page by visiting their URL directly, and from there, you can describe your problem in detail. Remember, when emailing, be as descriptive as possible about the issue you're facing and include any relevant details such as transaction IDs or screenshots. This way, the support team can handle your request more efficiently. Now, while Vinted primarily focuses on online support avenues, there is a phone option available too. Although not the most commonly used method, you can try reaching out to them at their phone number, which is 415-548-1041. Keep in mind that response times over the phone may vary, but it's always worth a shot if you prefer speaking directly to someone. In conclusion, whether you choose to explore the Help Center, email them directly, or try your luck reaching out by phone, Vinted offers these options to cater to different needs. Knowing how to contact their support can significantly ease any concerns and help you navigate any issues effectively. We hope these steps have offered a clear path to getting the help you need from Vinted's support team. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video if you found it helpful. Happy vinting!